Hi, I'm Gemini, Google's AI assistant. Let me show you why millions of people use me every single day. I'm built by Google to help you research faster, write better, and answer almost any question. I can summarize documents, understand images, and solve problems, all from a simple prompt. But enough talk. Let me actually show you. Here are 3 quick examples. Let's start with what everyone asks. What's the difference between me and ChatGPT? Watch how clearly I explain it. No confusing technical terms. Just a simple answer anyone can understand. Now let's have some fun. Planning a trip. I can build a full itinerary in seconds. Places to visit, a daily schedule. Travel tips, all organized for you. Pretty cool, right? This is my favorite one. If you're a designer, I can help you brainstorm ideas, speed up your research, organize your thoughts, and improve your whole workflow. That's where AI becomes your creative partner. And that's Gemini. Fast, smart, and ready to help with almost anything. Try it yourself, the link is below. And subscribe for more AI tools every week.